On this particular job, we have removed some high-profile baseboard, 5 inches in height. And what it looks like when it comes off the wall is like this. And rather than upsetting the lovely face and paint, we simply pull the nails through the backside. Wall studs are 16 inches on center, and so we come over 16 inches, and here's where the next stud was located. The tool that I'm using is called a side cutter. I'm getting just a nibble on the nail. I'm not really squeezing very hard. I don't want to break the nail. I'm just putting the blade into the metal enough so that I can then apply leverage and simply rock the side cutter on its side so that the nail comes through. And again, the front of the baseboard is not upset wherever a wall stud would be. So the next stud, where to start, and then of course over here would be Well, I've decided that this video, if it's not sponsored by a Studfinder, I think it should be. Obviously, the person nailing this baseboard was challenged on this particular part of the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20 nails in search of 2 studs. Brought to you by Zircon, the makers of stud sensor stud finders.